Hey, welcome back. Tyler, Pump Track Locator. So, doing a quick tour of the Pump Track Revolution here in Erie, Colorado. It's about a 30-minute drive outside of Denver. As you can see, super nice facility. They really put a lot of effort into this pump track. It's got a map on it. It's got all your directions, all your good stuff there that all the pump tracks generally have. This one's on a supersized sign. And as you can see in the background, the pump track has a couple different lines. It's got a wall ride. It's got your typical wood, wood corner, wood berm, I want to say. Kind of panning around. Got a guy in the background doing some tricks and jumps. And so far, this was one of the nicest pump tracks I've been to, and we got a ride through on it. And that's really about it on this one. A pretty short but simple video. Thanks a lot.